How to clean a hot tub. Lounging in your hot tub is meant to be a luxurious, relaxing experience, but a grimy dip can quickly put a damper on your day. Just like a bathtub, your hot tub accumulates body oils, cosmetics, and other fluids over time, and adding chemicals only contributes to the buildup. This can cause your sanitizers to become less effective, and your hot tub may not function properly. But don't worry, the process of eliminating buildup and maintaining the surfaces of your hot tub is easier than it seems, and you don't need a background in chemistry to do it. We'll show you how. From draining the tub to scrubbing the interior and refreshing the filters, we'll guide you every step of the way. Then, we'll explain how to maintain your newly cleaned hot tub so that it's always ready for a warm soak. Welcome to Best Choices. This video will tell you how to draining your hot tub, scrubbing the tub's surfaces, removing and cleaning the filters, refilling your hot tub, and maintaining your hot tub. Now let's get started. Things you should know. 1. Turn off the hot tub and drain the water using the water release valve, or by submerging a water pump attached to a hose. 2. Scrub the interior of the tub with a hot tub cleaning solution and a sponge. Remove the filters, then rinse and wash them with chlorine solution. 3. Reinstall the filters and fill the tub with water, then sanitize the new water with chlorine shock solution and a pH balancing kit. Method 1. Draining your hot tub. Things you'll need. 1. Hot tub line flush. 2. Submersible drain pump. Number 1. Flush the lines of your hot tub with cleaner to kill bacteria in the pipes. Hot tubs run at a temperature where various molds, bacteria, and other organisms can flourish in the inner workings. If you replace all the water without flushing the lines first, you risk contaminating the new water. Keep your tub free of microscopic visitors by circulating hot tub line flush through the pipes, a process called flushing the lines, to eject and cleanse bacteria and gunk. Application and cleaning procedures vary by product, so follow the instructions on the line flush packaging. Generally, add the flush directly to the water in the tub while it's running for a period of time indicated in the instructions, usually around 15 minutes. Lines that have buildup can result in decreased jet pressure, cloudiness in the water, or increased pressure and strain on your pump motor. Flushing your lines helps your tub run smoothly and efficiently. Number 2. Turn off the power to your hot tub. Forgetting to cut power to your tub could result in its pump kicking on when there's not enough water, which could do damage to the motor of your hot tub pump and filter mechanism. To make sure that your tub is completely off, find your fuse box and flip the breaker for the circuit that's supplying it power to the off position. Turning off the circuit breaker as well as switching your tub off prevents others from accidentally turning it on if you take a break when cleaning. A damaged pump can be an expensive and unnecessary expense. Number 3. Drain the tub's water using the drainage nozzle or an external pump. Consult your hot tub owner's manual for the best way to drain your particular tub. If your tub has a drain spigot on the bottom, simply open the spigot, or attach a garden hose to the spigot to drain the hot tub into a basin or away from the tub. Or, use a submersible pump attached to a garden hose to manually remove the water. Many manufacturers recommend leaving the footwell of your tub full of water so that the pump and other parts remain submerged, avoiding damage. If flushing your lines has released a cloudy discharge into the water, completely empty your hot tub of water. After doing so, rinse your tub with a hose to remove any remaining line particles. Then refill the footwell of your tub, if necessary. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no. Method 2. Scrubbing the tub surfaces. Number 1. Scrub the inside of the tub with hot tub cleaner. Specially formulated hot tub cleaners easily cut through grime and also protect the shell of your tub from damage that can be caused by abrasive particles in other cleaners. Or, mix equal parts of white vinegar and warm water for a DIY solution. Spray down the interior of your tub with a hose to moisten it, and then scrub all over the interior of the tub with your cleaner and a rag or sponge. Acrylic hot tub shells are resistant to buildup and germ aggregation. If your tub has an acrylic shell, you may be able to clean your hot tub with a mild, general-purpose bathroom cleaner. For more thorough cleaning, mix a batch of chlorine solution that is 50 parts per million, ppm. Create this mixture simply by mixing 1/4 teaspoon of dechlor into 5 gallons, 19 L, of water. After cleaning the inner shell of your hot tub, thoroughly rinse it out and wipe it down with an old towel. Leaving cleaner residue can affect the chemical balance of your hot tub, which may hurt your water clarity or create an environment where mold or bacteria could grow. Number 2. Target problem areas with baking soda or olive oil. Some dirtiness in your hot tub can be most effectively cleaned by the use of specific cleaning agents. For example, add baking soda to a sponge while scrubbing to help bust gunk and organic goo. The extra abrasion of baking soda in addition to its cleaning properties helps the sponge cut through the dirtiness, but is gentle enough that it should leave your acrylic shell unaffected. Dissolve white streaks or mineral deposits with a 50-50 mixture of white vinegar and water. Simply apply the vinegar/water solution to the affected area with a sponge or rag and scrub or wipe it clean. Number 3. Clean the tub's exterior and cover with wood or vinyl cleaner. If your hot tub's exterior is made of wood, use a specially formulated wood cleaner to scrub it with a rag, then rinse it down with a hose. Or, sprinkle some baking soda onto a sponge to scrub plastic or acrylic exteriors. Then, wipe down the exterior of the hot tub cover with vinyl cleaner and protectant. Apply olive oil to sap or pitch that has gotten on your hot tub or hot tub cover. Rub the oil into the stained area until the sap/pitch begins to break up, then wipe the surface clean with a rag, mild soap, and water. Clean the underside of the hot tub cover by taking the cover off the tub and spraying it with a hose. Specialty cleaners aren't needed for this side of the cover. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no. Method 3. Removing and cleaning the filters. Things you'll need. 1. Hot tub surface cleaner. 2. Dechlor. 3. Vinyl cover cleaner. 4. Rag or sponge. Number 1. Remove the filters and scrub the filter cabinet. The filters are often accessible through an access panel or cabinet located around your pump. Some filters may require you to unscrew or unfasten catches that hold the filter casing in place. Take a picture of the filter assembly before you take it apart so you know how it's supposed to look when fully assembled. Scrub the inside of your filter cabinet with your tub cleaner or a 50 ppm dechlor/water solution, made by 1/4 teaspoon of dechlor into 5 gallons, 19 L, of water, to bust bacteria that may surround the filter. Number 2. Rinse the filters and place them in a chemical soak. Spray the filters off with your garden hose, which removes most residue from the filter. Don't use a brush on your filter, which might further embed dirt or debris. Then, soak the filters in a large container with an oil-cutting filter cleaning solution for at least an hour. Consult the instructions on the packaging for proper amounts. After, soak the filters in a 50 ppm chlorine solution for 2 to 3 hours to finish disinfecting, then rinse them off again with a garden hose. Number 3. Reinstall your filter. This may be as easy as sliding the filters into a coupling and pressing the covering panel back in place, but you may need to consult the picture you took of the filter fully assembled for more complicated designs. Be sure that all necessary parts and fasteners are in place and secure. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no. Method 4. Refilling your hot tub. Things you'll need. 1. Hot tub shock treatment. 2. Hot tub pH kit. Number 1. Add water to the designated water line for your tub. Run the water you are adding to your tub through the filters first. Place your hose inside the well of your filter housing so that the water flows through the filters of your tub, into its lines, and finally into the reservoir of the tub. Fill the tub until the water reaches the recommended fill line. Number 2. Return power to your hot tub and let it run for a few minutes. If you turned off the circuit breaker for your hot tub, set this to on before reactivating your tub. Allow your hot tub to run for 5 to 10 minutes while you listen to the pump/filter for any odd noises. These can be indicators that you've improperly reinstalled the filter or haven't fastened the catches holding it in place properly. Also, turn off all the air valves of your hot tub. This will prevent your hot tub from aerating too much when you treat your hot tub water. Number 3. Treat the water with the chemicals recommended for your tub. The recommended combination for your hot tub will vary according to your model. Generally, first shock the water, killing remaining bacteria, with a shock treatment, according to packaging instructions. Then, test and, if need be, lower the pH of the tub with a pH kit. Finally, test the chlorine levels with a chlorine test strip, and lower the chlorine levels if they exceed 3 to 6 ppm. Cover your newly cleaned hot tub after adding your treatment chemicals and wait the time designated on the treatment instructions for the chemicals to disperse, usually around 1 to 2 hours. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no. Method 5. Maintaining your hot tub. Number 1. Check the water quality and chemical content once a week. Keep an eye on the water in your hot tub and assess it once every 7 days to maintain the tub. If it appears cloudy or is developing a film on the surface, it's time for a thorough cleanse. Also test the chlorine and pH levels. In most cases, you only need to add a chlorine or bromine tablet to the hot tub once a week to keep the water clean and sparkling. Never mix treatments that are not specifically indicated as compatible. Using the wrong mix of water treating chemicals can result in serious danger. Number 2. Clean the hot tub filter once every month. The filter is intentionally designed to catch the grime and debris from your tub, so clean your filter at least once a month to help it do its job. If you use your hot tub frequently, like every day or every other day, clean the filter every 2 weeks. A clean filter not only ensures proper hot tub function, it also prolongs the life of your filters. Also, replace the filter completely at least once a year. An old filter won't clean the tub's water as efficiently or thoroughly as a fresh one. Schedule a professional inspection of your hot tub once a year by contacting the manufacturer, if you can. This helps you identify damaged or weathered parts before they fail completely. Number 3. Drain and clean the hot tub interior every 4 to 6 months. Most acrylic shells are resistant to bacteria, mold, and other kinds of buildup. However, draining and scrubbing down your hot tub 4 to 5 times a year prevents buildup before it becomes thick and difficult to remove. If you use your tub regularly, drain and scrub it every 2 to 3 months. Number 4. Clean the hot tub cover monthly. The outside part of the hot tub cover is the most exposed to sunlight and the elements, so it's prone to collecting things like dirt and sap. Wipe down the cover at least once per month. If you like, coat the outside of the cover with a thin layer of vinyl protectant spray to increase its durability. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no. Tips. 1. To more quickly and easily clean your filters, run the filters twice through the dishwasher with your usual dishwasher detergent and the heat/drying cycle turned off. Check your filter's manual to ensure it can be machine washed. 2. Having an extra filter on hand lets you use the tub even while the current filter is being cleaned. 3. Keep your hot tub covered when not in use. If your hot tub is exposed to direct sunlight, consider purchasing a protectant spray for the cover. Warnings. 1. A 50 ppm dichlor/water solution may irritate your skin, eyes, and lungs. Wear gloves, eye protection, and use long-handled brushes to prevent irritation. 2. Remember to use mild cleaning agents, not abrasive cleaners, which can scratch your acrylic shell or dull its finish. Any gentle bathroom cleaner will work best. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no.